Here's a really quick video on how to load your Glock 43X onto MCK conversion kit. It's a pretty straightforward action, but you should know how to do it right. First, always make sure that there is no ammunition on the gun. Clear. And we'll start by unfolding the butt until you hear the click, and then you have this button here that unlock the hatch. You press it down and you pull it towards you and up, and then you see the slide housing, and you see that there are grooves here that fits the groove on the slide. So you need to put the nose first, like so, nose first, and then align the groove so the slide will dip all the way into the housing, to this cradle. And then once you did this, you see how it's all the way? Once you did this, you need to push the gun forward into this. The trigger guard should go into this groove all the way, and then you close the hatch, and you need to hear the click. That's vital. So press the button down if needed, hold it down, and then you heard this click. That's what you need to hear again. Then once it's clicked, it's all the way in. Function beautifully. I love this conversion kit. It makes me shoot much faster, much more accurate, and it's a great thing to have. You can obviously put one mag in the gun, and you have another spot for additional magazine, and that's it. Pretty easy.